Hi, I'm Johnny Gorvet from Taqtile, and I'm here today to talk about placing a QR code, an asset tag for a physical asset. So today we've got a slightly disassembled Airbus A320 engine. And what we've got today is a procedure built on this engine in Manifest Maker. So we've actually taken a procedure and put it onto Manifest Maker on the iPad. And then we've done a 3D scan of this engine. So if I open up this engine just here, and I can view 3D model, you can see that we've got a full 3D scan that I can look around of this engine. And I can even zoom in, and I can see a detailed scan. So what we've done from here is we've taken the procedure, so step-by-step instructions with photos, videos, manuals. We've then exported that, including 3D model, to the Apple Vision Pro. And on the Apple Vision Pro, we've associated this 3D model with a digital QR code. We've then annotated all the steps, adding leader lines, AR notes, and then making sure that the 3D model is in the correct location so that all those steps are aligned perfectly. We've then exported that Apple Vision Pro Manifest Maker file to Manifest, and now we can run for a procedure. But before we run through the procedure, we need to make sure that this QR code is perfectly placed on this physical asset. So what I've done is I've taken the asset tag from Manifest on the web portal. I've printed it out and made sure it's the complete correct size. So we have the guidelines online to this cutout. And then what I'm going to do is make sure I'm placing the QR code in the exact same place that I associated the digital QR code on the Apple Vision Pro. So if you follow me, I can place that just above here. And I made sure there was a nice and recognizable spot just at the top of this white barrier. And I can use sort of the tape I have here to just assign and tape this QR code to the asset. So these QR codes can be printed out on paper, can be laminated, double sticky tape on the back, or just printed on like that. But it's really important to have this QR code associated with this specific spot on the asset for when we did the alignment on the Apple Vision Pro. So once I've done that, what I'm then able to do is actually go into Manifest on the iPad, and I can start my job, scan this QR code, and then go for a procedure. So if I go to the iPad here, what we have on my workboard is the job we're going through. So this is an installation of the ignition exciter. So what I can do here is open up this job, and just like on any Manifest platform, I can review all the steps we have. So there are nice and 7 steps here, each step having text notes, video notes, photo notes, all the notes we've created in Manifest Maker. And then we can also see that all these steps have AR content available. And what we mean and what we can do by that is if I hit this start job, I'm able to actually switch to AR and use this scannable QR code to associate myself with this asset. So if I hit this switch, I'll be given an option to scan or place. And if I hit this scan button, a scanner will come up. And what I can then do is move over to the QR code. And nice and simply, I'll turn my iPad, make sure I'm 20 centimeters away, and you'll be able to see that has scanned. A sort of orangey yellow QR code appears on top of that QR code. But if I now follow those arrows up to my left, you can see I'm getting the AR annotations for this step.